Meta has officially launched the highly anticipated Meta Quest 4, and it has quickly become a game-changer in the world of virtual reality. Unlike previous VR headsets that only offered limited experiences, the Meta Quest 4 represents a massive leap forward in terms of design, performance, comfort, accessibility, and immersion. Whether you're an avid gamer, a fitness enthusiast, or someone looking for a new way to experience entertainment or work, the Meta Quest 4 is a device that promises to change everything. In video, we'll take a closer look at the Meta Quest 4's groundbreaking features, how it addresses the challenges faced by previous VR headsets, and why it stands out in the competitive VR landscape. Before diving into what makes the Meta Quest 4 so impressive, it's important to first acknowledge the shortcomings of previous VR systems. Despite VR's enormous potential, earlier models often failed to deliver a satisfying experience. Comfort, for one, was a consistent issue. Many VR headsets were bulky, poorly designed, and uncomfortable to wear for extended periods. The weight would often put pressure on the face and forehead, leaving users feeling exhausted after just a short session. Another major problem with older models was graphics. Early VR headsets had low-resolution displays, and the processing power was insufficient to handle high-quality visuals. This resulted in blurry or pixelated graphics, motion blur, and lag, leading to nausea and discomfort for many users. VR enthusiasts also faced the challenge of complicated setups, requiring external sensors, wires, and a powerful PC to run the system. This made VR both expensive and intimidating, limiting its accessibility to the general public. The Meta Quest 4 is here to solve all these issues and more. It represents a significant leap forward, offering a superior experience for both seasoned users and newcomers. One of the most significant improvements with the Meta Quest 4 is its design. This headset has been carefully engineered to address the comfort issues of its predecessors. It is much lighter and better balanced, allowing users to wear it for extended periods without discomfort. The improved padding and adjustable straps mean that the headset can fit securely on various head shapes, making long gaming sessions much more enjoyable. The Quest 4 is